These brakes are not working yet. They're doing something, but they aren't exactly stopping. And this one, it's either the pads are just like, I push it in, goes in there, then if I pump it, it stops there. Like, what? I need to try and bed them in somehow. Oh no. That's another thing though. For some reason this fucking loves to wobble like crazy. Watch this. It goes like left and right like a million miles. I don't know, it's the suspension's a bit shit, so it's allowing it to rotate. Oh my god, nah, these brakes are gonna fucking kill me. Oh, I tried to drop it back, it did not want to like save me. Oh fuck. Look at that. Oh, I don't know what it needs. I think it just needs pads and probably a fucking new disc. I keep messing with this though, hoping it's gonna fucking do something. That is not good, man. I'm having to wheelie without brakes right now, just so shit. My shoelace is getting stuck on the fucking fender as well, nearly just died. Oh, that's actually sick. Woohoo! Well, this bike is slow as shit. Oh my god, it's actually so slow. I don't believe it. I don't even know how to change that into kilometres and stuff. Yes! Right, we can actually see how fast this is. It's slow as fuck. Just about. There we go. Really, because I'm gonna die if I do that. Someone's fucking run me off the road in a second. Yeah, no. Oh.
I said that.
Fuck no. That ram's fucking rusty, bro. I don't know how to ride anymore. I say that last going up this fucking, whatever the fuck you call this. Oh shit, it's horses. I think it's over there. Bit slippy. Little bit slippy. How the fuck do I fall doing that? Ah, jeez. Sick. My bar's bent. No. How did I do that? Oh, I'm telling you, I should sell this bike, man. Fucking embarrassment. Na 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 na. I'm missing my AirPods. Okay, this way. Tell you what, little burnout on here though. It's already been done. I'm not even tearing the grass, okay? This ain't even a park, bro. There's glass everywhere. Me doing that did not cause anything bad. What a nice view though. Fuck's sake. Yep, that was was nice. I thought you were doing it. Not quite, not quite.
Talaria.
Yeah. At least I did it, man. I'm happy about that. Why am I going so sideways, man? What the fuck? Right, okay, now it should be a little bit brighter. Maybe a little bit less FPS, but that's fine. It's gonna have to work. Because if you can't see anything and there's like loads of FPS, what are you gonna do with that footage? Nothing, man. This is it. Got a little ball. Whoa. Whatever you call that. Oh fuck. Oh, that's a bit dead, isn't it though? Can we set off this camera? Come on. Whoops. Oh. Hello, officer. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Wow. Little Mitsubishi Evo, Brembo brakes. Come on. This is like a normal car park. Who's dogging in there? People with dogs.
No.
Thank you guys. Oh jeez. Thank you, sorry. Oh, God, dog wanted beef, holy shit. He was going to bat me head off. Thank God they had little torches on the fucking neck, so I would have gone through it, dog. Clean through it. Oh, hello. Ambulance here. Oh, police. What's happened up there? Sure. Oh, fucking bro, why do they paint it but they don't fucking fix it? You putting a little fucking paint mark around it isn't gonna fucking fix it, is it? My fucking god. If you recognise there's a pothole there, then sort it. Fuck me. What is that NPC music, man? Jesus Christ. You know, the black, bog standard black fucking special ops wannabe. Not even like spin it round underneath it without dying. See, I was thinking about just wheeling it and then twisting it, but I'm gonna come off and fucking nearly came off it. I was going to then. I'm surprised I fucking didn't. Right, that's a bit slower, but big pothole. Fucking too talented with it, man. Oh shit. Spoke too soon. That was bloody hell, mate. That's going right in the beginning of the video. That scared me. Oh. I literally, well, my reflexes kicked in. I don't even know how I tried to dodge it. Instead of steering, I fucking saved my foot.